Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to be making chicken gizzard. I'm so excited about this recipe because I literally just came up with it, and when I tried it, oh my god, it was so delicious and I couldn't wait to share it with you guys. So yeah, and you can eat this gizzard with jollof rice, you can eat it with fried plantains, you can eat it by itself, you can eat it with whatever you want to eat it with, because like it's just so delicious. So let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so this is the gizzard. After washing it, I boiled it for like 10 minutes just so the nasty smell can get out of it. I didn't boil it with anything, I just boiled it alone. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to boil the gizzard with. So I'm going to be adding my beef bouillon and salt into the pot. I'm going to be adding water to be at the same level as the gizzard. Then I'm going to mix everything together and let it cook for about 40 minutes. Right now you can go ahead and taste the water just to make sure that the seasoning is perfect. Meanwhile the gizzard is cooking, I'm going to be prepping the other ingredients. This is ginger, habanero and garlic, and I'm just going to blend them all together. Also have tomatoes, onions, basil and parsley as well. So after cooking for about 40 minutes, the gizzard is finally done, and as you can see, most of the water is dried out, which is really perfect. Now we're just going to be making our gizzard sauce. So I realized that there's too much oil and I'm just going to be reducing some. This is what the sauce looks like after reducing the oil, and I'm just going to be adding the blended spices, the blended ginger, garlic and habanero. After adding the basil and parsley leaves, I went ahead and I added the gizzard. As you can see, I didn't add any gizzard water. After adding the gizzard, I went ahead and I switched the fire to low heat so everything can cook slowly, so that the sauce can really enter the gizzard, so that it'll be really juicy and nice. I went ahead and I tasted it, and it needed a little bit of salt, so I'm just going to be adding a little bit of salt. So once the gizzard is ready, we're just going to be adding onions. This is actually optional, but I really love the flavor and taste that this onion gives, so I advise that you should go ahead and add it. Anyways, make sure your fire is turned off because we don't want to cook the onions, but the heat from the pot is actually going to like soften the onions, because we don't want it too soft, we still want it crunchy, and that's why I advise that you turn off your fire before adding it. Okay guys, so it is ready, and just look at that, it looks so delicious, and let me tell you, it tasted so good. I went ahead and I had mine with some fried plantains and also some jollof rice. Let me tell you, this combination now die. That means I ate on to look anyways, you guys go ahead and try this and let me know how it comes out, and I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. I hope it's very helpful.